Online storage company Box bought itself some breathing room. It got a cash lifeline from private equity firm TPG and hedge fund Coatue Management. Wall Street Journal tech reporter Shira Ovide with me now. So Shira, the extra funding is rare. Box already filed to go public. So what does the need for money say about Box? What does it say about companies based on cloud storage?
Yeah, I think that's a very good question. Basically, Box, they had a little bit of a hiccup on the road to the IPO. They filed to go public in March, basically the moment that the NASDAQ started to turn south and it started getting very hard for companies like Box, which is growing very quickly, but also losing a lot of money. They lose about $6 million a month in cash compared to the money they bring in every month, which is not a super great trajectory. So they've bought themselves a little cushion, a little wiggle room to wait out the market until it's just the right time for them to go public. I guess we'll wait and see what it means for their peers in the cloud storage or cloud software market.
So Shira, why not a bridge loan? I mean, there's so many other ways to do this. So what else stands out to you?
Well, I think if I were a potential IPO investor in Box, one metric that I would be keeping a close watch on is what's known as billings, which is basically contracts that companies like Box have signed, but customers haven't yet paid. So if they sign up for a year but pay monthly, billings reflect the value of that one-year contract. And billings growth actually slowed very markedly in the last quarter, 56% growth. Still very good, but much slower than the 103% growth of the prior year. So again, if you're looking at a high growth company that's going to have a high valuation, that kind of slowdown is a little bit of a trouble spot.
And we know that they basically have, to your point, Shira, spent a lot on sales efforts and a lot on marketing efforts. So we'll see how it goes as the company gets closer and closer to going public. Shira Ovide joining us there. Thank you, Wall Street Journal tech reporter.